Todd's back. June 1 is here, and we are going to roast. And then couldn't help but notice a slight change in the pattern from what we were hoping for.
Well,
and by slight, I mean drastic. Because I'm like, what?
Slight translation, drastic.
Took a hard left.
It has, and it's gotten worse as we've gotten closer to the weekend and beyond, actually. You know, I mean, how beautiful has the last 10 days been around here? Well, the next 10 are going to be as nice. So we've had some milestones this season so far. Yes, we've hit 60. Yes, we've hit 70. Yes, we've hit 80. Highest temperature in Portland so far this spring, 89. And that was this past weekend. Bangor, yup. And yes, we've hit 90. It was on Sunday, 91 degrees. And I think we'll make a run at both temperatures this day. We're going to see highs around 90. Pretty comfortable out right now. I like it. The only towns in the 40s, Calais, St. Stephen, and Berlin, New Hampshire, got 44 degrees there. On the weather map, high pressure is still off the coastline. It is still pumping heat into the northeast for another 24 to 36 hours. And then this front sags south and brings us wet weather, showers and storms, but dramatically cooler weather too. We're going to go from around 90 today to the 50s over the weekend, and it looks like we'll stay in the 50s for the majority of the first week of June, sadly. Sunshine out there, a bit hazy still from some wildfire smoke, but it's not too bad. Temps remain comfortable for a few hours, so if you do a lot of exercise on a daily basis, the morning would be the best time to do it, especially early as the sun is coming up. Midday, we've got sizzling sunshine. Our temperatures soar. And there'll be a light breeze too, so we're not getting much relief out there. So take it easy if you work outdoors. It's going to be a hot one. This afternoon, hazy sunshine. The only relief would be with an isolated downpour, and that would likely be over the central highlands this afternoon, but don't count any wet weather from Mother Nature today. It will be hot with more noticeable humidity out there too. Our dew points will be right around 60, which is a little sticky, especially early in the season. Here are the highs expected today. Along the coast, you'll find some relief. Penobscot Bay down east where temps get up to about 80. Mid-80s for the mid-coast and Wiscasset. Portland 87, upper 80s along the beaches. You go inland, though, it is warmer. Sanford 92, Augusta 92, Bangor 93, and the hot spot today, probably Freiburg in the Saco Valley, 94 degrees, the mid-90s. Tomorrow that front is still across northern Maine, so it'll still be very warm in the morning, likely hitting 80 or even the lower 80s. And then it comes through midday with some showers, with some thunderstorms. There'll be drenching ones and a dramatic chill down by the end of the day too. Our temperatures are going to drop hard tomorrow afternoon, and they're going to stay cold over the weekend. It's not going to rain the whole time. In fact, Saturday afternoon looks rain-free. Sunday morning might as well, but there'll be some showers, especially for the coastline now on Sunday. And sadly, it looks like the pattern is going to cut off, trap this low out in the Gulf of Maine for several days, probably through the middle of next week. That means we'll be in this cool, wet pattern right through that time. Temps only in the 50s, and we will have periods of rain in there too. We go from 90 to 80 to 50s for about 4 days in a row. Here's the marine forecast. Seas 2 to 3 feet, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Hazy sunshine and a hot one out there today. Highs in the low 90s away from the coast and upper 80s at it. Tomorrow will be around 80 in the morning, and then those showers and storms roll through. The wind shifts into the north and our temperatures drop, and they don't recover for a while. There'll be some showers on Saturday morning, a few more on Sunday as well, both days on the chilly side. Cool and wet early next week, and showers likely lingerly all the way through Wednesday. Hopefully we'll finally shake the pattern by the middle of next week, but it might be a 4, 5, perhaps 6-day stretch.
I mean, to be fair, it's only like a 40-degree swing, so it's fine. Whatever. It's like, you know.
Yeah, it's subtle.
Yeah.
It's barely noticeable.
Yeah, it's funny. We felt bad for the teachers who are going to have to deal with the kids when it's hot. Now they're going to have to teach with the kids who can't go outside.
Yeah, so. That, and they're not in any more learning mode, right? They're done. I think everyone's thrown the towel in.
All right. Well, thank you, sir, for that.